So hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Riya Punetha. So today in this video I'm going to discuss about the SGPGI exam that was held on 22nd of March. इसमें जो जितने भी क्वेश्चंस होंगे वो सारे के सारे मेमोरी बेस्ड होंगे और जो इसमें मैंने इस वीडियो में क्वेश्चंस जो मैंने बताए वो 75 प्लस हैं. सो इस वीडियो को पूरा देखिएगा. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज which type of medication route takes the maximum time to be absorbed? Options are oral, sublingual, subcutaneous and IV. Answer will be oral. Our second question is most sensitive screening test for breast cancer. तो इसका आंसर है मैमोग्राम. थर्ड क्वेश्चन था VED इन मैनेजमेंट. व्हाट इज V स्टैंड्स फॉर. मैनेजमेंट का एक क्वेश्चन था जिसमें VED जो होता है एनालिसिस होता है, तो इसमें V क्या इंडिकेट करता है, तो इसका आंसर था वाइटल आइटम्स. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज फॉर स्टेबलाइजिंग एंड इमोबिलाइजिंग द हिप इन न्यूबॉर्न which aid is used. Answer is hip spica cast. So fifth question is what is the main complication occur in a drowning patients. Options है asphyxia, ascites, laryngospasm and hyperthermia. Answer will be asphyxia. Next question is Montauk's test is done by which route. Answer will be intradermal. After delivery pain in lower abdomen, pain is due to तो इस पेन को हम क्या कहेंगे, आफ्टर पेन. ठीक है. सो एट्थ क्वेश्चन इज ऑन टीचिंग सेशन एट मेडिकल सेंटर अबाउट द लंग्स टेकन बाय कैडेवर पेशेंट इज नोन एज. ऑप्शंस आर मॉडल, अदर, मॉलेज एंड वन मोर. इसमें मॉडल लिखा है ना, तो इसकी जगह स्पेसिमेन आएगा. ठीक है, तो इसका आंसर स्पेसिमेन था. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इन सेकेंड ट्राइमेस्टर विच साइन अपीयर्स. तो आंसर इसका होगा क्विकनिंग. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर प्रिवेंटिंग द न्यूट्रिएंट्स ऑफ फूड वाइल कुकिंग व्हाट शुड बी डन. तो ऑप्शंस थे क्लोज द लिड वाइल स्टिमरिंग, वॉश वेजिटेबल्स आफ्टर कटिंग, कट वेजेस एंड अदर. तो इसका आंसर था क्लोज द लिड वाइल स्टिमरिंग. सो 11th था एक्स लिंक्ड रिसेसिव इनहेरिटेंस डिसऑर्डर. इन चार ऑप्शंस में से कौन सा है, तो इसका आंसर है डचमैन डिस्ट्रॉफी डिसऑर्डर. ठीक है. फर्स्ट नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर स्टरलाइजिंग द ओटी थिएटर व्हाट इज यूज्ड. तो ऑप्शंस इसमें थे ऑटोक्लेव, फ्यूमिगेशन, रेडिएशन एंड अदर. इसका आंसर था फ्यूमिगेशन. ठीक है. 13 क्वेश्चन क्या है, लीडिंग कॉज ऑफ कैंसर इन इंडिया इन विमेन इज. आंसर विल बी ब्रेस्ट कैंसर. Next 14th question is which type of sound occurs in asthma. Answer will be high pitch wheezing sound. So our next question is which of the following is a psychotic substance except आया था, तो इसका आंसर है एस्पिरिन. नेक्स्ट 16th क्वेश्चन है people discussing about a topic in front of audience is called. Answer will be panel discussion. So 17th क्वेश्चन है which of the following is the clinical manifestation of tonsillitis. तो ऑप्शंस इसमें एक हाइपरट्रॉफ. So 17th question is clinical manifestation of tonsillitis. Options are hypertrophy of tonsil and hypertrophy of tonsil. Answer will be hypertrophy of tonsil. So our next 18th question is COVID-19 waste of quarantine center is sent in which bag. तो इसका ऑप्शंस थे रेड, ब्लैक, ग्रीन और येलो. आंसर विल बी ब्लैक, क्योंकि क्वारंटाइन सेंटर में नॉर्मल वेस्ट होते हैं, मतलब बाकी वेस्ट नहीं होता, तो इसका आंसर ब्लैक होगा. Next question is who has COVID-19, which test would be significant diagnosis of COVID-19. तो आंसर will be RT-PCR. To hear the sound of chest, what should be done. तो इसका आंसर होगा अस्कल्टेशन. 21 क्वेश्चन है COVID-19 patient with septic shock. In a COVID-19 patient with septic shock, which fluid should be given as a supplement. तो आंसर will be antibiotics. Deficiency of which vitamin cause beriberi. The answer will be thiamine. 23rd question. What is the formula to calculate the size of suction catheter? The answer will be internal diameter divided by 2 into 3. So next question is 24th. 1 French is equal to 0.33 mm diameter. So 25th question is how to measure the intraocular pressure. The answer will be tonometry. So our next question, that is 26th question, is which of the following is present in interstitial part of our body. तो इसमें options थे blood, platelets, lymph and other. Answer will be lymph. Next question is the cancer followed by blood is. The answer will be hematological spread. Difference between systolic and diastolic blood pressure. The answer will be pulse pressure. Next 29th question. In 9-month child, chest compression is done by. Options are middle finger, middle and index finger, other and palm. The answer will be middle and index finger. 30th question. Blue dusky stoma is present in patients of post-operative colonoscopy. What does this indicate? The answer will be ischemia. Next 31st question is tracheostomy care is given to the unconscious patient, which position is given to him. अब unconscious patient है तो उसको tracheostomy care दी जा रही है, तो इसमें एस्पिरेशन से प्रिवेंट करने के लिए हम पेशेंट को लेटरल पोजीशन देंगे. आंसर लेटरल होगा. Next question is a child has tonsillectomy. What will indicate that there is a chance of bleeding? So options are inflammation, pain, continuous swelling of the patient, and other. Answer will be continuous swallowing of the patient. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 33. All are vital signs except. Options are pulse, temperature, BP, blood sugar level. Answer will be blood sugar level. Next question is, for the confirmation of NG tube placement, what is to be done? Options are X-ray, listening sounds of air, taking length in a tube, aspirate the pH of HCl. Answer will be aspirate the pH of HCl. Next question is, for the long-term feeding of patient with tube, which is best? So answer will be gastrectomy. Next question is, in COVID patient, which solution is to be used for the disinfectant of the substance? Answer will be hypochlorite 1%. 1% sodium hypochlorite will be the answer. Next question is, fast and more respiration means? Answer will be tachypnea. Question number 38. All are indicative of respiratory infections except. Answer will be BMW. Next question is, partial or complete placenta implantation in lower uterine segment is known as? Answer will be placenta previa. All questions given over here are memory based. So next question is, during taking a sample of COVID-19, which should not be taken? The answer will be take the swab of calcium. All rest options are correct. Next question is, what is vitamin? Which vitamin is antioxidant? Answer will be vitamin A. Next question is, all are pentavalent vaccines except. Diphtheria, influenza, hepatitis B, all are pentavalent vaccines except polio. Answer will be polio. Next question is, position given during vaginal and rectal examination. Answer will be Sims position. Next question is, position given during labor. The options are place in back with knees extended, place in back with knees flexed, supine या other. इसका आंसर होगा place in back with knees flexed. B option. Now question number 45. What is tetralogy of Fallot? तो इसका ऑप्शन नहीं लिखा है मैंने, इसका आंसर था 4 defects with right to left shunt. Next question is, which of the following is not an active management of third stage of labor? The answer will be placenta comes by gravity. Next question is, from where does COVID-19 sample should be taken? Options are oropharynx, bronchi, trachea and other. The answer will be oropharynx. Next question is 48. Which fluid is given to COVID-19 patient? The answer will be gelatin. Next. So next question is, flexi-flexibility is seen in which type of schizophrenia? Options are borderline personality, schizoid personality, catatonic schizophrenia and other. Answer will be catatonic schizophrenia. Next question is, group appraisal method with maximum feedback. इसका आंसर लिखा है 360 डिग्री फीडबैक. ठीक है, जो इसमें क्वेश्चंस है सारे मेमोरी बेस्ड हैं, सभी के एग्जैक्ट ऑप्शंस और क्वेश्चंस नहीं होंगे, बट मोटा मोटा जो है कि क्वेश्चंस विद आंसर्स मैंने इसमें लिखे हैं. व्हाट इज द मेथड ऑफ इंसर्टिंग अ गुडेल एयरवे? द आंसर विल बी इंसर्टेड अपसाइड डाउन until you reach the junction, then rotate it to 180. Next question is, mental health act care 10 point came in which year? The answer will be 2017. What is the secondary need? The answer will be power, because rest of the other needs are primary. Next question is, wheezing sound in asthma is heard during? Answer will be expiration. Next 55th question is, which of the following is a polysaccharide? The answer will be cellulose. Rest other options are monosaccharides. Next question is, during changing the position of bed in ICU, which method of communication is used? The answer will be personal. Next question is, for giving a care to a patient for long-term ventilation, which method is done? The answer will be tracheostomy. Next question is, which of the following is a tocolytic? Answer will be ritodrine. Next question is, which of the following is an antipsychotic drug except? The answer will be aspirin. Next question is, excessive mood swing is seen in? Answer will be bipolar disorder. Next question is, intrauterine device Mirena secretes which hormone? The answer will be progesterone. Next question is, which steroid is present in maximum amount in body? The answer will be cholesterol. Next 64th question, which nerve is known as Wanderer nerve? The answer will be vagus nerve. Next question, patient must consent through a living will and must be terminally ill. Which type of euthanasia is this? The answer will be passive euthanasia. Next question, which hormone helps in reabsorption of sodium? Answer will be aldosterone. Which of the following is a barrier? Next question is, which of the following is a barrier technique in males? The answer will be condom. Next question is, which of the following is a proton pump inhibitor? The answer will be pantoprazole. Next question, the opacity of lens is called as? Answer will be cataract. Next question is, the straight line during pregnancy that starts from xiphisternum to symphysis pubis. The options are linea nigra, striae gravidarum, other. The answer will be linea nigra. In which type of colostomy solid stool are seen? The answer will be sigmoid colostomy. Next question, you are assessing the skin by pinching the skin up. What are you checking? The answer will be skin turgidity. Next question, in a newborn, bluish discoloration is seen in lumbosacral region. What does this indicate? The answer will be Mongolian spots. Next question, in a ward of TB patient, which is the method of transferring TB? The answer will be airborne. Next question, alcoholic patient showing no effect on taking the alcohol. What does this indicate? The answer will be alcohol dependence. Next question is, riding a bicycle is a which type of memory? The answer will be procedural. So अभी तक मुझे 76 क्वेश्चंस मिले हैं. रेस्ट क्वेश्चन अगर मुझे मिलेंगे तो आई विल डेफिनेटली पुट अ वीडियो ऑन दिस. सो इस वीडियो को पूरा देखना. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.